Trying to win the America's Cup does end up becoming all-consuming. It's an obsession.
One of the great questions in life is, what is it about this competition that draws so many people in?
Winning the America's Cup, for me, it's the holy grail.
It's everything a human being can dream of if you're a little bit ambitious in life.
You have serious skin in the game, day in and day out. You live and breathe this competition.
The America's Cup is my life.
It's unlike any sporting trophy in the world. It definitely haunts you, haunts you, haunts you.
What is obsession? What drives the most successful among us to strive for success, no matter the cost, to never rest until they've reached their goal? It can't be just their will to win. There has to be something more, something deeper that drives them, inch by inch, rep by rep, 1% by 1%, day after day after day. For the teams, the designers, their backers, the fans, this competition is their everything. Each has their own story, their own pressure, the expectant weight of a nation on their shoulders. But who will emerge victorious? Welcome to Barcelona, the battleground of the obsessed. This is the 37th America's Cup.